grabe, sobrang pinag-isipan mo, girl. Tapos you look so comfortable. Yung hoops na, earrings. Hoops ba tawag dyan? Sobrang ganda. Pax, nakatawag ka pa niya, hindi ka pa naka-aura. Nako, sige na, ipapaubaya ko na si Jungwon sa'yo pag di ka talaga ginuwan yung Faith Legado versus eyeliner.
Alam mo ba, nakailang erase na ako?
One eternity later.
Good morning, everyone.
Welcome to my class. For today's video.
Aurang-aura na silang lahat at ako naman ay iinom ng aking Clarity. It's the D-Day of the concert. Ayan,
Nandiyan sa box.
this is the engine room.
Tignan mo.
Are you comfortable?
Parang hindi masyado.
Why?
Mas comfortable.
Do you
Pero
wear
for the lakad kasi
Oh.
balik na lang ako mamaya. Sige, Ate Faye. Ha? Babalik. For the recharge. Kasi feeling ko masasakit na walang mauupuan doon. 3, magpasok.
So, plano nyo mag-lie. Ay, hindi, mag-lie ka mo. Ano naman may assigned seat, di ba?
Yeah, line na lang sa pagpasok. Pero wala na siya.
There's no rush.
Are they ready?
I will. I will. Diba? Wear your most, ano ba tawag? Comfortable. You're comfortablest. As an ESL teacher.
As an ESL teacher, slow is a
Oh,
verb.
patingin ng ayos, patingin ng ayos. Oh! Aurang-aura, pero baby pa yan. Ay, hindi na pala siya. Ayaw niya na pala magpa-baby. Dalaga na yan. Oh. Sweet girl. Guys, wala pa akong nag-room tour. So, this is the, I don't know how to open this. The view of our, like, the place where we're staying. And I'm gonna open the window. Oh my God. It's so hard to open the window. Okay. So, yarn, may nag-aura kami dyan because the light is so good. So, this is, and actually, I don't know if you can see it, but there's the Ferris wheel. So, nalagay siya dira. That's how near we are in MOA. And that's already max. We're just gonna walk from here to there, then libot. Ganun. MOA na dahil ng, like, dira nga part. I'm gonna close it. Oops. I haven't had like a formal greeting. So, hi guys. Good morning. And as you can see, medyo dugyot pa tayo for today's video. There's no concrete plan talaga if asa may mag-adto kami ni mama. Because they're going to be very busy and I don't want to be a hassle to her, and of course, basta maglinya lines full of like a day full with like lining up, meeting people. So I actually have a list of the things that I want to try or like want to do. One of it is like I want to try Popeyes and the gelato. And yesterday we had lunch and dinner at the SMOA food hall, and there's like a lot of food stores or like basta baligan at pagkaon. Ito, and they all look so yum, and I want to try something new na wala sa CDO para naman may iba. And I'm just hoping and praying na I would love it. Mag-uban ko sa ilahang mag-nao because I'm going to take pictures of them downstairs para mapusla nila mga pag-aura-aura sa live. This is our last full day here. And actually just below our room, like talagang nasa baba lang yung 7-Eleven. I'm sorry if I'm speaking in 3 different subtitles. Tagalog, Bisaya, and Swahili. Hi guys, it feels so good to be like outside MOA, but like to attend a concert inside MOA with my ults. And ults, I mean BTS and SVT. Lord, please, I'm gonna work hard. I'm praying that the next time I come back here, I'll be attending a concert. Manifesting that. Manifesting. And this is where we're staying. And it's actually so tall. But thank God, nasa second floor lang ni. Yan, ready na sila. So this is a different hotel. You know, a lot of people nga stay dira kay ga-attend concert. So most probably gabaklay sila, but guess what? Na ay like legit nga 24 hours na nakapatrol na police. There's a mini stop, as you can see. There's a mini stop. So medyo tour na lugar na siya sa neighborhood. Ems! Neighborhood. So na ako diri karon sa poolside area and nag-emote-emote ko. You know what? I did not expect na unsa ni siya ka super duper 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 accessible sa tanan. So as what you have seen earlier nga wala ba ra diri ang mga airplane. So it's just a few minutes, maybe 10, 15 away from the airport, a 10-minute walk from MOA where dito usually held ang mga concert. We are lucky enough or to book an Airbnb here so that it would not be hard for us to commute, especially that we are not that familiar with this place. And aside from that, even though ako dili ko mag-watch sa concert, but I can do like a lot of things because dagan kayo mapilian nga pagkaunan, and it's the Mall of Asia of Arena, so it's too big and dili gid maigong sa kaadlaw kaya mo siyang libuton. And ang akong goal today is to really try food, most especially food that wala sa Cagayan. Since I'm a creature of habit, I only prefer food that I usually eat. When it's something that is foreign to my tongue or like not familiar, there's a big tendency na I would not like it. Right now, nako sa face na open. Like, I'm open for it. Siguro mo saka na ako kung basi nanita na ako ng... Cute kayo sila. Let me show you the perks of having the same shoe size with a senior citizen, with your mom. Look, I'm wearing her shoes. Guys, I have a new shoe. So we're going to Hortons to drink some coffee. Okay, wait lang. Grabe dyan ang ilahang mga hangin dire! It's almost 5. And the sunset is at 5:57. So I really googled it. Feeling ako mapas mga 30 minutes. So nagbulag namin nilang Faith kay dili ko sure kung na sila sa sulod right now, but I think nagline na sila pasulod because the concert will start at 5 or like 5:30. I'm not sure. Okay. So magkita ni Faith. Dito pa sila kamags. Now we're on our way to the church. So there's like a church near here because I don't know what time ilahang mass. So yeah, we're here.
I think there's another universe where I haven't yet felt pain, and maybe in that other universe I'm a flower and you're the rain.
Reason, baliw na baliw ako sa burger ng Popeyes. Oh, I can see my number pala. I'm number 568. I know that I'm supposed to pour all over, but masintan isa pa siya. So, I'll just like, oh, it's fluffy. Look. Shoot sa pancakes. Wala makita na. Dili ko magbutang ng syrup kaya basin talisan na to. It's like to show nga free. I'm so wild. And we're done with Popeyes. I go. You know what, guys? Here's another observation. Nako. Most especially fast food chains. Kay napadiri mong pagkaon pero kailangan nakamutindog kay nanay sunod mo gamit sa bag. Napadiri. Okay. What should I get? Mag-take out lang me because we want to be there and witness the sunset. Mura gina kong buhang bibig the whole day. Lamig, 145 doon. Ani kagamay ko. Lamig, jud dapat. Mm. Kani nga size sa CDO, medium na.
Minig mahal ka din eh.
Mawag gyud barato diri na. Ang pinakabarato siguro nga napalit na ko diri yun kay tubig nga tag size. Naan pagid sila tubig nga tag size. Bonus pag yun, SM bonus ang brand. Pero mas proud yun ko sa Sunset Cup. Guys, my God, na emotional ko. Magtarong sa mga tamang mga ligsan niya ni Simba Color. Guys, ayan na siya. Ayan na ang aesthetic. Lord, oh my God. Thank you for the beautiful weather. Ito na. I'm coming. And we found a spot here. Mama made it. Look at that, guys.
I think somewhere in a different place. Still 7 in second grade. And I'm so happy that I feel alright.
Guys, na-unlock na ako ang akong isa ka mission, which is to witness the sunset here. Dapat na amagid nga sa Ferris wheel. Pero wala na dito ko sa shore. We look for a spot where we can have coffee, which is like 10 times better than just being inside the Ferris wheel. I'm so full. Hinay! Kasi mong picturean. Sa tanawan na kumamagay. Unsa ka na yung picture? Ma, dadto tura ang sunset. Dadto mga tao man ay mong i-picture.
Ang mga tao akong ginatang kay kung unsa nakadaghan ang tao manan audio mo na akong imin.
An maubad di ay. Sige na, mag-line na ta na. We're going to ride the Ferris wheel. Let's go! Look at the line. Wow, that's so long for the Vikings. I wish I could ride that one, but maybe next time. So this is the like amusement Kennemer Seaside. And yeah, dagan kay tao ka mag. Oh my God. Dagan gyud siya tao kay weekend na pag-concert. So and nay kaduha nga ride diri nga which looks so fun and thrilling. Amo to sa tawag ani oy Twister. Dream Twister. Mo ni ang Dream Twister. Sakay ka dira dali balibag din kapadung nito sa taas. Excited na ko sa kataas sa linya sa Ferris wheel. Let's just hope nga naapatay ko ang senior citizen. Let's go!
My mom's a bug inside a tree. My dad's the scientist who captured her. But now it's time to set her free.
So we're supposed to take the VIP or like fast lane pero wa man ko kasabot oy kay murag feeling nako pag musingit ko papatay na ko sa tingin sa mga tao. So we're gonna ride that one. Days. Ta-na-na-na. Pero guys, di na ba siya gahunong? So ipaambak din ako ni si mama. Dapat snappy. We're inside. Wow. Oops. Yeah. Okay naman siya makikalma naman. Kailangan gila siya na i-aircon.
Somehow in this skull of mine, I find it hard to see the truth. 'Cause I romanticize a boring
Ano ka man? Wow.
I'll be happy too.
And that's it. Muna to 250 per head. Okay, we're done. Thank you, ma'am. Wow, congratulations. You made it. Ma'am, na tong 250, ma'am. Na tong uno. We're back here at the food hall. As per usual, long lines. And I can't find any coffee. So I opted for a milk tea, but then ang Macau, grabe kataas ang linya. Everywhere. Long lines everywhere. Muraog.
Ice cream cake.
Ice cream cake? Ah, okay. Dude, it's gahi. It's cold inside. Imagine macaroons, but with a fillet. I'm gonna try it.
Hirap naman gamitin.
So if you're someone who likes sour drinks or like food, this is for you.
Kaya pag-ana.
Wala sa tulo. It doesn't mean that these three taste so bad. Just they're not my type. So, see you later. Bye. But I'm having goosebumps. People are running around and like you would think na yun say nahitabo nag-zombie apocalypse pa. So this is what Team Labas looks like. Like there's a lot of fans. I don't know if you can see it, but guys, puno kayo ang gawas sa arena. And they are screaming loudly. And it's like causing traffic, like so much traffic. Like look at that, like that one. Alam mo. Oh Jesus. I am so... Can you hear the honk? That's how wild that is. Grabe. Never bitaw matimingan nga birthday or like birth month sa K-pop idol nga mag-concert. Kay always gyud gapaning kamot ang fans nga mag-donate or like mag-ano mga fan projects just to like put up their greetings there. And you know this one is freaking expensive for sure. But do not underestimate the power of a K-pop idol. There it is. Whoa! Happy Jongwon Day! Polaroid. Oh, see, can you see that? Yung mga police nga naka standby. Somehow, mga 0.5%. I'm not that afraid to walk. We're almost there. Oh my god. It's almost 8. Hopefully, masapon na mo ang na-collect sa trash. Ay, go. Ay! Ito. My feet. My feet. Look at my feet. Look at my feet. Going up. Going up. Second floor. Second floor. Ah, kailangan tayo igawas ang basura. Pero, can you see that? Among neighbor. Igawas nila daan nilang trash. Yeah. We are on our way, morning, to the airport. Pero, mapit sa amin sa seaside to take some pictures. Then, hopefully, we can grab some coffee. Yeah. Back with the trolley. Let's go. Yes, you're seeing the Ferris wheel again, and we're back. And this is what it looks like at daytime and on a Monday. It's completely the opposite of what it looks like at night and on a weekend. Ay, kuya. Ay. Here.
Bias sa Sunghon. Kasi hindi mo bias sa Sunghon. Grabe gitu siya in real life. Viral.
Advise to wear your face mask at all times. Thank you.
Our boarding time is 11:20 and it's already 11:15. Boarding na!
Getting tired of the waiting. You gotta wake me, open my eyes. Cause I'm feeling now we're fading.
Annyeonghaseyo, Eurobon. That was it. Yun na po yung pinagpagura namin for ilang months. Yeah. I'm so happy.
Was it worthy?
It was worth it. And I will do it over and over again in a heartbeat. Pera na lang kulang.
Hey, we're home. Thank you for watching.